I'm going to introduce a product called AI Bird Enthusiast. So it's on the App Store for $19.99. This application was originally designed to help you select a, a bird. You can go through and answer 30 questions as it relates to your personality type. And things like, do you enjoy being the center of attention in social events? Yeah, you just go through and answer all 30 questions, and at the end, the AI will provide a bird selection that it thinks that based on your personality type that you can buy. Here is bird sightings. So, like for example, if I saw a bald eagle, I can mark where I saw it, and it's just kind of nice to just keep track of that. Eventually, maybe I could create a heat map that would show where you have been. But right now, I just for usage, I think it's just good enough if I'm just looking. Here's another sighting where I saw some bald eagles, um, a Clark's Gerby, saw it there, close to water. Maybe here's a robin. I saw a robin there. So whatever your interest is, and all you have to do is it gets your latitude and longitude. You put the bird species, the description, and just say I want to use the latitude and longitude, and then hit save, and it'll it'll build your event. Next, we have bird sighting highlight. This is just going to show you a bird, and it's going to give you some information on it. Just increases your knowledge of birds if you wanted to increase your awareness of different types of birds. And this one, it highlighted a suburb library bird, Menuara nova hollandii. It is an Australian marvel, renowned for its mind-blowing vocal mimicry, capable of reproducing chainsaws, camera shutters, and dozens of other bird calls with astonishing precision. Yeah, it'd be interesting to research that bird and learn a little bit more about it. You can copy it and paste it and then follow up on it for later knowledge. Now down here, here's some popular birds that people like. For like example, the canary. It's beautiful melodies and observing its cheerful activity. Unlike parrots, they don't demand complex mental stimulation or mimic speech, making them suitable for owners seeking less intensive, more observational pet experience. Price can range between $50 to $200, so you can go down to your pet store and get an idea if that's correct. And then if you want to ask a question about the canary, let's just do, what do canaries eat? So it'll process that if you don't know, and you can get a kind of a information about it. It gives you a confidence ratio and says they eat a diet of 95 to 99%. They eat a diet based on high quality canary seed mix, which is typically a blend of various seeds such as canary grass seed, rapeseed, and millet. So right there, you got what they eat. Now, is that going to be 100% precise? You're going to need to follow up and determine with an expert if that is correct, but it gives you a general start. Okay, so in general, what I've shared with you is discovering what bird type will entertain you by answering 30 questions in an engaging survey. Also, you can learn about what other types of birds that people are buying. And we do not store any of your conversations with Louise AI Agent.